Welcome back to another video, guys. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a purge block, so that way you can weld your stainless, aluminum, titanium, whatever you got to weld. You can weld it and back purge it, and you can make this pretty cheap. I'll go over the prices and stuff, but you can make this for around 65, 70 bucks probably if you do it yourself, compared to purge blocks that are $200-300. So the V-band, it's a 3-inch aluminum V-band. The clamp though is stainless steel, but inside here this is aluminum. Just a simple fitting from Home Depot to screw in the block, so that way you could hook up your back purge line. And then the aluminum block, which is 6 1/8 wide this way, 5 1/8 this way, and then 1 3/8 diameter thickness. So the block was 36, V-band was 25, fitting was 4. So you know, your prices may vary a little bit, but that's what I spent on all this, and now I'm going to be able to weld it myself. I also took a center punch and punch the centers for right here, and then in the side where that's going to go. So let me take this over to my drill press and drill out the hole for this fitting to go into the side, and I'll show you guys when that's drilled out. Alright, so I got done drilling the top hole, as you can see, and I got done drilling this hole. They connect, and you can see it's connected all the way through. You can see the light down there coming from in the side. So now what's left to do is take it out of the vise, clean it up, get the V-band tacked on there and ready, weld the V-band, and then tap this, so that way I can put this fitting in there so we could hook up our purge line. Because I have, if you guys have a purge setup, my Eastwood TIG 200, if you guys have a purge setup, or if you want a purge setup, I recommend getting one of these dual regulators. This one feeds my machine. This one is the extra line. I got a TIG Aesthetics rubber line. It's really nice, but that line will go over and feed my purge block while I'm welding. So I'm gonna get the V-band tacked on and ready to weld, and then I'm gonna get this tapped so that way I can thread this in there, no problem. So I'll be right back when I get this all set up and ready to weld. Alright guys, so I got 3 tacks down. It is right now the block, you can see about 150. When I get to the ring's about 360. 200 on the inside there. And then my TIG torch, you can see it's cooling down a lot, but it's pretty hot. Like, even holding that, I can't hold that with even the glove on. So it's new to me, welding something this thick to something that thin. I'm running the machine at about 160 amps right now, and it's blowing right through the ring, but the base metal isn't getting hot enough. So I'm using the MAP gas to kind of preheat the block a little bit so it helps it weld better. But that's where I'm at for right now. I'll show you guys when I'm finished welding it. So give me a little. Well, it's all welded, Over there it looks like that because I kind of went over with the torch and smoothed things out a little, but I didn't do that over here. I got my little temperature reader and it's sitting at about 430, 350 in the inside. Right on the ring it's a little bit higher, but I got my TIG torch hanging up because that's hot to like the touch. I can barely touch that. So just got to make sure that, just got to wait for it to cool down, and then I can put the fitting in and it'll be all done. But it's gonna take a while to cool down, so I'll be back when it cools down. There it is, guys. Finally cooled down. Got it welded the whole way around. Doesn't leak anywhere. I got the fitting tapped in there real well. That ain't coming out. And I already hooked up the argon line from my bottle. I hooked it up and turned it on, you know, just to test it out, and it's coming out of there nicely. I might put like a screen over this to diffuse it a little bit as it's coming out. But like what I mean by that is, like, if you look at these silicone purge plugs, see it plugs into this side and then you have this screen, so it acts as like a diffuser for the gas. Same way the front of the cups have the screen in it, acts as a diffuser for the gas. So if I end up having problems with it when I back purge something, I have some stainless I'm going to test on. But if it gives me problems, I'm going to put a screen on here to diffuse it. But for now, seems like it's going to work really well. So I don't have any complaints yet, but I'll let you guys know. I'll make an update video if I have to add that or if it works well. I have some stainless, you can see over there, some stainless coming up soon here for a project. I'll show you guys, but for now, that's gonna be it for today's video. So that's how you guys make your own purge block for on the cheap, under $100. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys check out my other videos, and I'll have more videos coming for you guys soon.